shadow in a window light, city bleeding gold into the night. Your hand on the glass like you could reach something we lost, something out of reach. I was a ghost in an elevator frame, too late again but I came the same, wearing all the words I never said, like a ring of fire around my chest. Then the crosswalk stopped and the whole world blurred. You turn around before I found the nerve. After the rain, after the hurt, after we tore heaven down to the dirt, you're still the ache under my skin, still the one war I never could win. If love is a wound that never quite heals, why do you still feel like home in the dark, like hope in my veins after the rain? I remember coffee and your shaking hands, that old train ticket, all our reckless plans, the way your hair fell into morning light, like even good